Tired of weak vacuums that leave dirt behind? Introducing the Philips PowerPro FC9352-01. Your solution for a spotless home. Experience the power of its 1900W motor, delivering 370W of intense suction for thorough cleaning on any surface. Featuring PowerCyclone 5 technology, this vacuum maintains strong suction, separating dust from the air for consistent performance. The MultiClean nozzle ensures a tight seal on all floor types, guaranteeing a comprehensive clean every time. Enjoy hygienic, one-handed dust disposal and a fully sealed filtration system that captures over 99.9% of fine dust, perfect for allergy sufferers. Compact, lightweight, and always ready with its integrated dusting brush, the Philips PowerPro makes cleaning effortless and convenient. Plus, the turbo brush tackles pet hair and fluff with ease, and active lock couplings ensure quick attachment changes. Get yours today and feel the difference. Backed by a 2-year warranty. Check the first comment to buy now.